Shifting focus now to one of our top stories. Now, with the future of lakhs of students in the lurch owing to the uncertainty over exams amid COVID, now the centre is all set to hold a key meet to decide on the further course of action which will be taken with regard to board exams and entrance exams. Now, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will be chairing the crucial meet in the presence of Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal as well as education ministers from all other states who will be attending this meeting. Now, the discussion is likely to center around proposals with regard to conduct of the exams and the dates for these exams, and an announcement with regard to class 12 board exams for CBSE may also be made. So this is what we can in fact see is a crucial meet which is going to be held today, chaired by Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, and all the state education ministers. Of course, Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal will also be attending this particular meeting. Remember that in fact most states have already postponed board exams with regard to the respective state boards, as well as the centrally CBSE has also done that as well. We can go across to Ayushman for more on this. Ayushman, we know the agenda of this meeting. It's a very crucial meeting which is going to be held today with regard to the fate of board exams, but also entrance exams as well. All key exams which are important for the progress, educational progress as well as career progress for students on tenterhooks now amid the pandemic. Please take us through all what we have seen over the past few months, the kind of concerns which have been expressed with regard to these exams.
Tanima, if you look at the current context, because the increasing rise in number of cases, we have seen the deferment of the CBSE Class 12th board examination. In fact, to cancel CBSE Class board examination is one of the top trending topics on Twitter. For past few days, the students have been demanding the cancellation of the examination. We have seen the classes taking place online, and the examinations, the government has said, will be taken offline. But the second surge has definitely changed the equation, and that is why the Education Ministry is today meeting. And in that meeting, the Education Minister will be there, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will be there, Smriti Irani will also be there. The senior officials from the Education Ministry will be there to discuss the aspect of how to hold the examination. In the current context, we are being told that only the discussion may also take place on the part where only major subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and all, only major subjects examination, if it can be taken. At the same time, the online mode, how the schools can adopt, but this is all to be done, Tanima, only after there is a due consultation with all stakeholders, because this is what it has always been maintained, that the stakeholders nod is very, very important. The parents, the students, and also the teachers who are going to go to the school and take this examination. So the key meeting is definitely there. The discussion will be there on every aspect, and not to forget that this topic of cancelling the CBSE board examination has been there, trending on Twitter. There definitely is the sense that will be discussed in meeting, Tanima.
That's right. Also, Ayushman, if you could just take us through an understanding of what exactly is at stake at the moment. Of course, the exams are important, but also the timing. What we had seen in the past as a year as well during the pandemic, that there were several exams which were pushed, and then also with a lot of hesitation and with a lot of precaution when some states actually started schools in their areas. There were also a number of, a COVID number of cases which had emerged in some of these schools that we have seen. Unfortunately, in some of the cases, the schools turning out to be clusters. But in this particular case, the timing of the exams are, of course, important. Some states have taken decisions with regard to that already. But just take us through the import of this particular meeting at this particular timing that we can see.
Taima, if you remember a few months ago when we were speaking to the concerned officials in Education Ministry as to why it is very important and why Class 12th examinations can't be cancelled, they clearly said that for the higher education, Class 12th examination is very, very needed, very much needed. And for Class 10th, it is always possible for them to promote, but you have got IITs, you have got a different set of higher education institutes where you need the Class 12th examinations taking place in pen and paper. And that is why it is very, very important. This is what the ministry says. But in the current context, like you pointed out, Tanima, we have schools where you know that the capacity of the students, if at all the social distancing and all is not properly maintained, we know that a large number of students are going to go for the examination. How do you ensure that amidst the outbreak, you are not putting the students in danger? The vulnerable situation is still persisting. We have over 200 districts witnessing more than 10% of positivity rate. How do you tell the students to go out there and their parents and to give examination? How do you arrange the entire system in place so that examinations can be taken properly and there is no infection out there? So this is something that is a big challenge, Tanima, and that is something will be discussed in a meeting. And in the current context, in all likelihood, we can tell you, Tanima, that somewhere cancelling is not one option that they will be assessing. Somehow, maybe taking only the major examinations, major subjects examination, or through online mode. Somewhere they would want the officials or the ministry wants the examination to be conducted because it holds a very, very important aspect in higher education's
Right.
promotion, Tanima.
Right, Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us with that comprehensive update on what exactly is expected in this meeting today afternoon. Thanks for joining us.